Oh, hey. So we're playing Metro 2033 today because I have a fucking migraine and I still wanted to play something today. So, I decided to play this game because it's kind of on the chill side. It's got a lot of story to it. Enjoy more forgiving combat and stealth experience Metro last night when Spartan style. Selected players who like faster pace, more action-oriented gameplay, ammo filters, and other resources. The ammo and filters are short supply, deadlier combat, more challenging. No. Normal. I'm not getting into that today. No, thank you, sir.
The tunnel grew colder. Miller and I were close to the surface now. Soon, we would climb up into the howling wind to fight our way through whatever nightmares were waiting there.
Okay, so...
My long journey was nearly at the end. But would I have the courage, the will to see it through?
Okay, like, they changed a lot of stuff so far that I've noticed right off the bat. First off, the music is just fucking terrible right now. And, also, I like the voice of Artyom is not the same. I actually liked the voice in the older ones because I had way better voice acting, but that's just me. It's my opinion. But anyway, if you didn't know, this game was actually based off of a book. They explain that in the beginning of this game.
When you left your home station, did you ever think we'll end up in a place like this? Not knowing whether we were about to save our world or send it straight to hell.
Oh, it's about to break! It's about to break! Thank you.
We'll have to get through the military outpost to reach the surface, that's all. Тихо. Something's moving in the next room. Open the gate, I'll cover. Shit is always breaking down in here. Use the auxiliary hand system to open the gate.
If you give me 5 fucking seconds, I'll open this goddamn door for you.
Artyom, check those crates for ammo and medpacks.
I got filters.
Ready, Artyom? Follow me.
Oh, hold on, I'm getting ammo and shit, man. Man, this is way different than the Xbox 360. It's a remaster, but like they added a bunch of different stuff. I don't need to switch out any of that. Yeah, we don't need light.
Okay. Up we go.
And if you've never seen this game, heard of this game, or are new to this game, just watch it. I highly recommend that you watch this because this is one of my favorite game series.
The surface, put your gas mask on. Without it, you'd be like a goldfish outside his bowl.
We're almost ready. This is the Korolov performance room. It's really close to the top.
Oh, hello. See that there, though.
No good weapon. Suki. Here they come.
Shit. Ow, fuck you. Ha 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 ha. Ah, bitch.
Let's give it a pull. Okay, Artyom, let's fall together. You ready? Pull. Anuka! Anuka!
Oh, thank you. Oh, just fell on my ass.
Let's move on.
Sorry, I'm not gonna be talking much. Oh my god, this looks way fucking better, though. Than with our last...
Come in, Women. Come in. Over. You're coming through loud and clear. Over.
Like, this looks a fuck ton better.
I repeat, we're at the tower. Did the group move out? Over. Well, that's affirmative. We've made contact. They should be in the vicinity of the tower now. Over. Roger. We'll contact you again when we're at the top.
Top of the tower. That was different. That was different. Truck almost fucking hit me. And the older one, I know I'm nitpicking, yada yada, but in the other one, like, it just kind of drove up.
Glad to see you, Colonel.
Oh, hey.
Listen. What the hell is it? Form a circle.
Okay. What am I... Oh.
Stay calm.
I'm gonna sit here and...
Watch your backs, boys. Okay. Looks it's gonna be tougher than the library.
Oh, yeah. Shit.
On my mark. Shit, fire at will.
Owie! Light 'em up, boys! Fuck hunting. Let's do this for... Let's do this when the apocalypse happens. I was all out of ammo. Fuck. What? Get out of here. Oh, hey. I should probably move. There he goes. And there I go.
Life was never easy in the tunnels, but it was our home. There was comfort in its routines, in seeing the same people day after day. But since the mutant attacks had escalated, fear ruled the station. I had just turned 20, and could never have imagined what would follow on the morning that my stepfather's friend Hunter arrived at the barricade.
Yeah. I wish there was a way to switch so, like, I could, hear the old voice talking, because I loved Artyom's voice. It gave him a lot more character than this new person that's doing it. And it's also got, like, an old film sort of, vibe too during the cutscenes, which is pretty cool. That's why that line is going across there. Just for effect. I don't know.
Artyom, you're awake at last, I see. Hunter's on his way in. He should have news from the other stations. Come on.
Okay. Oh, this is kind of chilling right there. Oh, I was pressing the wrong buttons. Waste not, want not. Oh, before I had to, like, grab, like, ammo and my book and stuff. Oh, that's upsetting. That was such a cool feature. It was like, okay, gotta go on an adventure. Gotta take all my stuff.
Peace.
business, Nikolai?
The station can't survive much longer if these attacks don't stop. We must do something.
That's what we're trying to
What
do.
more can we do?
Ugh.
We'll see what Hunter says.
Sergei, have you seen my Sergei?
Hello, Arthur.
Hello. Is there a wave option?
Our patrol was attacked last night. The hospital's full.
Damn.
The situation's under control.
Do we need to wait?
Let's go, Artyom.
What about Alexei? He was at
My
the
brother
outpost.
is in hospital.
Leave him alone. He's been wounded.
No visitors.
Pieter!
He was in the battle. Has anyone seen him?
Oh, that's you.
Okay, but I hope he's alive.
Oh wow, what happened to your fucking face, boy?
Come on, Alex. Hello, Artyom.
Hi, what the fuck happened to you, Double Chin McGee?
How are the wounded?
Not much improvement. 2 died this morning.
The Dark Ones do not kill outright, but they damage a victim's mind. Sooner or later, this leads to death.
I can't reach.
Wait,
No. Keep away from me. What the hell? Who would that be?
it's Hunter.
Mutants don't knock first. Open the damn gate.
Hello. Jesus?
Welcome to Exhibition, Hunter.
Great. Now close your gate.
Thanks. Now close.
Haha! I play this game way too much.
Time, Hunter.
Good to see you, Alex. Hello, Artyom.
Hello.
So, Hunter, what's happening in the outside world these days?
Not much. Most of what I hear is about the exhibition and the undead infesting your tunnels.
Dude, he looks more of a badass in this one, though. Like, before, he was just wearing, like, a coat and shit.
Artyom, I met a trader selling old postcards of New York City. I thought of your wall.
Oh, thank you.
These are not the usual mutant creatures. This is something else. What the hell? Something much worse.
Dark ones. Well, whatever in hell they are, my order has a motto. If it's hostile, you kill it.
Intruder alarm in main vent shaft. They're coming in from above.
Shit. Just what we need. There are wounded here just behind the wall. The
Kirill, take your group to the tunnels.
Alex,
Hunter,
we must stay here and defend the hall.
all right, our team, quickly get a weapon.
Okay, what? Oh yeah, leave your son with the pistol. Okay, thanks, Dad.
Damn, they never come this far into
Do
this
you have a
station.
It's the
AK-47?
hospital. They smell the blood.
Oh, crap. Fuck you! I don't even remember these things.
Artyom, are you alright?
Oh yeah, you know, since you gave me this flimsy piece of shit.
It's a dead-eye shot, this one.
Do you see how many times I missed?
No dark ones here. Just the usual tunnel trash.
Even when you don't see them, the Dark Ones are there. Fear. That's their weapon. That's what made the Nosalises run.
This
through
used
the
to be a
tunnels like
cutscene.
rats. The Dark Ones are not simple mutants. They're Homo Novus, the next step in evolution. You've heard about survival of the fittest? Guess what? We lost.
What's happened to you, Alex? You can go like lambs to the slaughter. I'll hang on to whatever life I got with teeth and claws. And I'll take more than a few of your Homo Novus with me to hell.
You think you're some old movie cowboy? Have a look, Hunter. 10 soldiers trained in combat. Bodies broken, their minds gone.
The Dark Ones! They destroyed the outer guard post!
Dun dun! I fucking love this game. Oh, hello. Well, that guy's a little twitchy. I don't think I'd give him a gun. That was a cutscene too. That him flipping that guy over.
The devil knows what's happening out there, beyond your perimeter. I must go recon the situation. Listen carefully at him. If I'm not back here by morning, you must get to police station and find a man named Miller. Tell him what's happened to me. What's stirring in the northern tunnels. Show this to Miller so he knows I've sent you. I trust everything to you, Optim. Don't let me down. If we are to survive, this threat must be eliminated, no matter the cost. Eliminated. Understand?
Ah. This gonna be a good game.
Hunter did not return. It wouldn't be easy to find an excuse to leave the station and travel to Polis, but I had given my word. I learned that the caravan was heading to Riga the next day and needed guards. I signed on for the ride.
I signed on for the ride. Yes! Yes! Oh lord! I need to get the fuck out of here. Drunk Russians.
Finally! Taking your time as usual, huh? Alright, grab your gear, go to the platform, they're waiting for us. I'll meet you there. Hey, Artyom, don't forget anything, huh?
I'll try not to. Oh, yeah. Now I grab everything. Never mind. They didn't get rid of it. The cool thing about this game too is that these books are fucking everywhere. Like you'll see them just kind of scattered around. I actually looked to see if I can get this book, but I guess it's only in Russian. So like, yeah, unless they come out with some kind of American version of it, English version, English speak.
Try something else now. How about... I know. How about a house where you'd like to live with your mom and dad?
Oh, that's sad.
Come on.
See, this is...
If my wife could cook like you, I'd be the happiest man in the world.
I don't want to hear.
Wow, there's so much talking going around.
And he says, actually, I'm not married. That's sweet.
Oh yeah, I remember, like, you could use your lighter to help light things. Okay. Like, in case you couldn't use your flashlight. And, yeah. This is your, objective list, and this is what I thought was a really cool feature that they added to this game. To pull us, find the ranger.
Dirt everywhere, just dirt. People are filthy, you know? Liars, hypocrites, traitors, everywhere.
What? You saying that I'm dirt? Well, you're shit, okay?
Is that you, Pete?
No, I'm just gonna ding-dong ditch everybody's house.
Artyom, is that you? Is everything alright?
Oh, I can see that. I can see that. Oh God. I'm so sorry.
Look who's talking about, sir. Walking around and leaving those dirty footprints everywhere. Not giving a damn about me.
Hey.
Clean it up after them. That's something to piss anyone off.
Yes.
Well, let me get some rest, will ya? It'll be my watch soon.
Get lost, Artyom.
Whoa, hey, bitch. I'm letting you stay here, you cunt. Not really. I mean, I'm letting you live. See, this is so cool. Like, just look at it.
How can this be? Tell me he's
There is standard method for escorting cargo.
drunk again. Get the hell up, you slobber. Well, sweetheart, what should daddy want you?
So, what you think?
No, thank you. I don't need it.
Tomorrow. And there won't be.
As you say.
Don't get your ass home.
Hey.
Where's your gear?
Move it, you white sack.
Look, go to the armory and get geared up.
Hello.
So, what do you make of that new guy?
Hello, Artyom.
Hey.
You need some weapons?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look.
You were born a soldier.
Submachine gun, 5.45 caliber, made in the armory. It's got poor accuracy and overheats like hell. That's why they call it a bastard.
Oh, yes, I can see.
Here's your gun.
Use short bursts, Artyom.
It's the same
Help yourself to some ammo, too.
Oh, thank you.
Here's a universal charger to keep the battery powered.
Universal
And a
charger.
gas mask. Put it on if you crossed any radiation hot
Okay.
zones. Or,
What about those?
God help you, go up to the
Why are you
surface.
giving me a bastard gun?
Army issue first aid kits, just in case. Okay, you're supplied, my friend. Feel free to try out your weapon on my firing
No, thanks.
range. And you try not to stick out your head too much, okay?
Yeah.
Do you think one day we could go back up to the surface? I've never seen Moscow, just the old people.
Amateur. I could play all the music.
Hi, how are you, Artyom?
Sorry, just gotta talk to my pa real quick.
Come in, son. You're ready to set off?
Yes.
Good. You've probably heard that our station is creating an alliance with Riga. We're sending them a couple of rail cars with humanitarian goods, some weapons, and some miscellaneous gear.
Okay.
That's the cargo you'll be looking at.
Okay.
It's not a very long trip, and it should not be too hard. Artyom.
Yes. Sorry.
One thing before you go.
Oh.
I can see that you look up to Hunter, but a ranger's life is different than ours. They are reckless, even violent by nature. There's nothing to be gained by playing the hero, so stay clear of trouble. See the caravan to its destination and come home as soon as possible. Goodbye, my
Yes, no guarantee. Sorry, Dad. I can't guarantee. I can't promise anything. Whatever happens out there happens. I might come back a new man. Might even come back a lady. I don't know. Who fucking knows what's gonna happen out there in the world? Come back with a girlfriend, come back with a wife, could come back with a boyfriend. You never know. It's 2017. Anything could happen. Oh, hey!
Привет.
Hi.
So you ready to move out?
Oh, yes, I'm ready.
Are you ready? Well, let's go then.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
You take that seat, Artyom, and you, Eugene, take this one. Did anybody forget anything?
So, you get your gear? Let's go then.
Hey guys, going to Riga?
Hey.
Yeah, we are.
Can I get a lift?
Sure, but no free rides. You'll have to pull the lever sometimes.
I can do that.
Let's go then.
We just made a new friend! Hey!
I'll ride it.
How are you?
Good luck to everyone staying home, and to us too.
Boy,
Let's go.
good luck to us.
So, are you ready to finally be somewhere else?
Oh, Artyomka! Free at last! huh?
Yeah.
Well, for as long as the ride takes anyway. Should be fun. More dangerous. Even better, right?
What's wrong with your face?
It was the first time I had left the safety of my home station. It troubled me that I hadn't told my stepfather the truth.
Wait, what's wrong with that guy's head? Wait, do you guys see that?
But Hunter was depending on me.
Optical illusion or what?
So, where you from?
Riga, I'm making the rounds, buying merchandise.
Well, I bet you've seen a few places then.
Yeah, the market is right next to Riga, and that's a big metro already. I used to make regular trips to Polis, but getting there now requires a lot of luck. That or being from
Wow,
Hansa.
I'd love to ride that thing.
Hansa connects
Wow.
to the metro and has a lot of stations, but doesn't welcome outsiders. And if it's not Hansa, then you have to go through the Reds, the Nazis, or your regular bandits. And these guys are really going at it lately.
Huh.
If they're not fighting everyone else, they're warring with each other.
I see. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out if I can find the button for the universal charger because I am not PC Master Race. I don't know what button that is.
Slow down, guy.
Peter, what's up?
Military caravan got stuck near Alexeyevskaya. A tunnel collapse or other shit. You have to use a service tunnel bypassing Alexeyevskaya.
Fuck.
Ah, fuck. I hate this tunnel. All right, Peter. Open up the gate. No point being stuck here forever.
Why? Well, what's wrong with that tunnel?
Well, it's an ordinary tunnel. Not as well lit, maybe. I went through that last month and, well, I just don't like it. That's all.
For the convenience.
Have a safe trip.
We're riding a hand car and we're armed, so I think we'll make it there okay.
Okay, reloading. Yada yada yada. Turning off everything on my phone so it won't ring again. Okay.
Damn, that's my head hurts.
Mine does too, that's why I'm playing this
If you
game.
help push the lever, we'll get there sooner.
Okay, Eugene, you go help the men. We should move faster here. You watch the back, Artyom.
Sure, I'll help. That way we'll get to Riga in no time, right?
Now, we should get out of here sooner.
What?
It's scary when they're around, and I pity them.
Them? Who them?
Can you hear them weep?
Whom do you mean, them? What are you talking about, huh? What the hell is going on, Boris? Boris!
What's happening to me?
My head! Artyom! What is it?
Oh yeah, I remember that thing makes you pass out.
Artyom! Over here!
If we are to survive, this threat must be eliminated, no matter the cost. Eliminate.
Oh god, no. What? I never quite understood that. I think that was like how... Like, I think that's how Hunter died or something. Like, it just kind of showed into the future or some shit. I don't know. Just enjoyed the game. It's a good game. Hey, wake up.
What the hell's going on? Shit! Wake up, people! People! Wake up, for Christ's sake! Boris! Wake up! Boris! Shit! It's no good!
Come on, go faster!
Ah! Oh!
Hold on. Ah! Fuck off! Bitch! Okay. Thanks for that. I needed that right in my ear. Hey. Whoop. One. Oh, you're fine. You're fine. Just go. Paddle. Paddle, 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 paddle. Whoop. Up. Okay. Well, I'm trying to conserve the ammo, but they keep getting in my fucking face. Gotcha, bitch. Come on, wake up. I thought that guy got... Oh, fuck.
We're almost at the roadblock. Just a little bit left.
Yep, I thought that, Oh, ah. Oh yeah, set piece moment. I thought in the original game the random guy that tagged along made it. Oh fuck, yeah. Hide. Okay, crawl out. Oh Christ on a crutch. Wait!
He's alive! Come here quick!
Shit biscuits! Oh! Just so you know, I'm keeping the shotgun. Just saying.
That was hot. I need a drink.
Did you just make a pun, you stupid old fuck? I fucking hate puns.
Redux station was only the first stop on my journey, but the caravan went no further. So, before parting ways, we drank to celebrate our survival. The vodka didn't drown my fear of traveling on to Polis alone, but I was about to find myself with an unexpected and notorious partner.
Dun, 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 dun.
All right, boys. Let's train to our friend Artyom, who goes right through monsters and anomalies alike. To Artyom.
To you.
Thank you.
Hell, if not for you, Artyom, we'd have been shredded like cabbage. You deserve a medal. Or at least some extra ammo. Here, take them.
Oh yeah, they use ammo as currency in this game.
Artyom, to you.
Which kind of sucks because we're just kind of blasting it all away.
Artyom, you really immune to that shit?
See if that shroom
You're
guy
different
knocks
too.
him down, huh?
Okay, we've got to check that. To our luck. And to Artyom.
To your health. Ha, the vodka kicks everyone's ass.
Yeah.
So tell me, the tunnel to market's closed down and I'm bored to death sitting here on my ass.
We passed through some kind of invisible way.
Yeah, because I'm awesome.